back to my balcony garden, where I share another amazing episode about my plants. Hey party people, welcome back to my channel. In today's video is an garden update. Look at this, check me out. I have some flowers, some beautiful purple flowers. Don't ask me what they're called because I don't have a clue. If you know, let me know. All I know is they're pretty. And my boxwood is still hanging in there. I'm going to be doing another propagation on some more boxwood cuttings eventually. But anyway, I thought that the flowers in here were my little purple butterflies. Y'all can see them. Then I looked closer and I realized, hey, these are flowers. Real flowers. I've been waiting for flowers all spring. We're about to go into the summer, so maybe these like a lot of heat. We're going to be getting some heat during this week, and can't wait. So this is a garden update, sharing with you my pretty beautiful purple flowers. Let me see, do I need to share anything else? I guess so far I'm just going to share those flowers and just sharing my little small planters, some garden decorations. My little Mother's Day plant is still doing good. See that bird peeking back there in my beautiful plant? Boy, I still have a lot of work to do on this balcony garden. And look at the cactus hanging in there. I guess everything's doing okay so far. And that'll be about it. Y'all don't want to see this, let me know. Y'all interested in my garden updates? Look at my oregano. It completely died. I'm gonna get in there and take the dead out and see if I can get a new one planted. I need to get to the nursery to get me a new plant. That's it. Thanks for watching. Thanks for returning to watch another episode about my balcony garden. I hope that you've enjoyed and were inspired to garden.